I think to compete in today's world, you have to be modern. You know, automation is going to be key. We're a very forward-looking, growth-oriented company. And in order to do that, you have to be up to date, you have to be modern, and you have to be willing to take that next leap to beat the other guy out. If we have obsolete components that we can't get, we're going to have downtime. So really just using that information to drive our reliability and our maintenance is probably the most critical thing for us. It's a 160,000 square foot building. We've got about half of it, so about 80,000 square foot of production area. Bending, finishing, it's all tube fabrication. But here we're doing simple one bend bending.
Lincoln Industries is a metal plating manufacturer in Lincoln, Nebraska. They make thousands of SKUs for different automobile, motorcycle manufacturers. They have a real need to automate because the demand keeps to increase, and the primary function of our modernization plan that we're working on with them is just fitting it to that long-term need. How do we meet that demand? How do we improve quality? How should we look at improving safety in that line?
We knew we had obsolescence in our plant. We've got a 60-year-old facility, and we've got equipment that ranges the span from 1970s up to current model. So we knew we had to do something about obsolete equipment and obsolete inventory. So we took a shot at it ourselves and attempted to do an assessment. We quickly realized we're going to need help from somewhere.
But the pivot for us was like, oh my gosh, how much time did that take you? Because we do this on a daily activity. We got people that go around to facilities and audit them all day long. The biggest message that our team took from it was Lincoln Industries has to be focused on product going out the door.
There's obviously things we need to do today that we're gonna have to address right now. But it's also gonna help us with our long-term capital planning. This is gonna help us see that obsolescence coming up and understand where we're gonna have to spend money in the future. It's really been a great thing. Now that we have the data and we can monitor our lines real time.
So now our biggest push between Lincoln Industries and us is how do we use this data to manage the plan now? So immediately fix some things or mitigate some things, and then how do we use that to make a 5-year plans?
The live database became the thing. That was huge because at the beginning of our process, it was going to be a snapshot in time. As we evolve, now it's a living database.
We always look at it as in technology is going to disrupt you. It may disrupt you positively, it might be negative. And so we look at where are the ways that it's going to fail and it's going to cause you downtime and you're unprepared for it. And then as we look at that and we start to mitigate those things, where are the ways we can plug in new technology that can be positively disruptive to improve efficiencies or safety or sustainability?
We build businesses in a local community. We put a flag in the ground and we serve them face to face. So there is no better partner that can come to a manufacturer and say, we want to help audit what's in your facility and then start a long-term plan to maintain and maximize it. The success of your business is what the success of our business depends on.